different cutting, and this is the emerald cut. So we're gonna prepare this stone for this ring. This stone is 17 karat something, so this is bigger. Now we need to cut. Today one of our customer, they have their old ring with the aquamarine light color. She want to change the Santa Maria to here, to the same ring, but the problem is this is different cutting, and this is the emerald cut. So we're gonna prepare this stone for this ring to fix here, but need to change the cutting from emerald to here. So I gonna show you how to do this stone right now. 11 karat something. This stone is 17 karat something, so this is bigger. We need to make this stone to become exactly the same weight and same cutting. Change the cutting for this stone. So let's do it. 12 mm, and this side is 20. 12 by 20 we need to fix this stone. So this stone right now the size is 12 and 20 something. So we no need to reduce this two size. We need to reduce this side to go to 10 mm. Now we need to cut. Prepare to put in the stick and start to cut to change the cutting. Cutting finish. So now we need to do the polish and put more facets in the polish.